can we use a mirror to help us practice the cello? When we look in, we can see one thing is the distance between the fingerboard and the bridge. And from the feeling, when we look down, it always looks like this is about the middle, but you can see in the mirror, it's much closer to the fingerboard. So I'm going to find the middle and practice my contact point down here. But an even better way to use the mirror is to turn to the side so that the bridge becomes a line. Now look at on the D string, this is what I would want to do. But you can see my bow is not parallel to the bridge. So it's an instant corrector. Look. So if you have trouble with your bow wandering up and down and not being in the one point of contact, a mirror at the side is an amazing help. Let me know if you've ever used a mirror for your cello practice, and make sure to follow me here for more bite-sized cello hacks.